The Center for Manufacturing Support falls under the umbrella of the Department of Applied Engineering. We are here to promote advanced manufacturing technologies in the Northeast Alabama region. We also provide students with the opportunity to gain experience with additive technologies, industrial robotics, and applied research projects in the center. We have 3 full-time engineers who work in the center. We complete projects for industry clients. Student employees from the Department of Applied Engineering assist with these projects. The Center for Manufacturing Support houses state-of-the-art 3D printers that make parts of metal or polymer. We have a Fanick Robotics Lab, a quality lab, and a well-equipped fabrication facility.
I'm currently working as a design engineering intern for a local business that is building a new manufacturing plant to produce auger trailers. These trailers are typically used to transport agricultural feed. In my job, I use Creo, a 3D CAD modeling software, to construct part models, manufacturing drawings, and assemblies needed to produce this trailer. I physically measure the parts and create models using that software. My previous work as a student employee at the Center for Manufacturing Support has prepared me for this position in my career in engineering. Working here as a student allowed me to have hands-on experience with some of the latest technologies and to learn some of the concepts and skills used in my career, sometimes even before getting the chance to see them in the classroom. This is an employment opportunity that sets students apart and prepares them for their professional careers.
My senior project is to design and manufacture an educational PLC trainer for the Department of Applied Engineering. PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller. These are used in manufacturing to control automated processes, and this trainer will be used by students to develop their programming ability, as well as provide them with the necessary skills they will need for their future careers in industry. My responsibilities for this project include component selection and acquisition, 3D design of sheet metal parts, manufacturing the sheet metal parts from raw materials using a CNC laser cutter and press brake for bending, assembly and test fitment of components, as well as electrical wiring and PLC programming. Working as a student in the CMS has allowed me the opportunity to get hands-on experience with a variety of manufacturing methods, as well as state-of-the-art equipment. In my time here, I've installed and operated various machines, I've participated in the design and manufacturing process for multiple projects for clients, and have assisted in research and testing to improve our products. On top of the hands-on experience that I've received during my time here, I will also take away important skills such as approaches to problem solving, creative thinking, time management, and working in a team environment. These skills will be helpful to me in my future career.
We help students prepare for their professional careers, and we help manufacturers to be more competitive. We are very proud of what we do.